Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Tech New Tips, your go-to channel for the latest innovations in technology. Today we've got something for all the farmers out there. Imagine a machine that can not only identify and pull weeds, but do it entirely on its own. No more bending down, no more tedious hours in the fields. Let's check out how these futuristic weed-pulling machines are changing the game for agriculture. Right in front of you is the latest in agricultural technology, a machine that automatically pulls weeds from young vegetable seedlings. The key question we're answering today: can machines really replace manual weeding? This invention could be the answer. No matter the type of weed, as long as the machine detects something that's not a planted vegetable, it springs into action. This machine is equipped with a recognition system that identifies the difference between crops and weeds. Once it locks onto a weed, it uses mechanical clamps to descend, grab the weed, and yank it out, root and all, before tossing it aside. Talk about precision. And the best part? It's completely autonomous. Once you input the type of crop being grown in a given area and set its route, the machine will move along the designated path, pulling weeds all on its own. It's a true farmer's helper, making sure your crops get the nutrients they need without competition from pesky weeds. This machine isn't the only one making weeding easier. There are tons of different inventions out there. For instance, some machines are designed to prevent weeds from regrowing. Instead of pulling them out, they shred the weeds into tiny pieces using a circular rotating blade, grinding the roots down to ensure they can't grow back. Want something even simpler? Some machines use iron rods that move up and down. When they detect a weed, the rods press down and zap the weeds with electricity, killing them instantly. It's fast, efficient, and perfect for large areas. Now here's the amazing part. All of these machines can run on both solar power and batteries. With an operating speed of 360 meters per hour, these machines can clear an entire hectare of weeds in just 18 hours. That's incredible efficiency. So there you have it. Weed-pulling machines that are revolutionizing farming, making life easier for farmers, and boosting crop health. Whether they're pulling, cutting, or zapping weeds, these machines are the future of agriculture. What do you think? Could these machines replace traditional methods on your farm? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more amazing tech like this. Thanks for watching Tech New Tips, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ever wondered how fiberglass is sprayed onto surfaces? Let's break it down. Take a close look. This is how fiberglass is sprayed. A worker holds a chopper gun, spraying fiberglass evenly over an object, in this case a bow. After the surface is covered, a roller is used to press it down, bonding it together into a tough, corrosion-resistant shell. This technique is widely used in crafting the outer layers of cars and boats, providing them with added durability. But fiberglass doesn't start out as tiny strands like this. It begins as one long, continuous fiber. And here's something cool. Fiberglass by itself isn't sticky at all. The reason workers use a roller is to ensure the bonding resin, not the fiberglass, holds everything together. Now, where does the resin come from? Let's find out. So how does this long strand of fiberglass get transformed into countless fine strands? It all happens inside the chopper gun. Inside the gun, there are two cylinders. The white cylinder feeds the long strand of fiberglass into the gun, while the silver one is covered in small grooves, each holding a tiny cutting blade. As both cylinders rotate, they cut the fiberglass into short, manageable pieces. These pieces are then sprayed out at high pressure, creating that cloud of fine fibers. But there's more. Just below the spray nozzle, there's a second nozzle that sprays resin, which is the adhesive material. As the fiberglass and resin are sprayed together, they land in overlapping layers on the surface. At this point, they look a bit messy, but with the help of a roller, they're pressed flat, evenly distributing the resin and fiberglass. Once the resin dries, it forms a hard, protective layer. This method of spraying fiberglass is used in many industries, from protecting the hulls of boats to reinforcing the bodies of cars. The end result? a super strong, lightweight, and corrosion-resistant shell that can withstand the harshest conditions. So now you know how fiberglass goes from long strands to a tough, protective shell with just a chopper gun and some resin. Pretty amazing, right? If you found this process as fascinating as I did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and tap the bell icon to stay updated with more incredible tech videos from Tech New Tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.